Good morning, students. Hope you all are fit and fine. And this is your GK class, chapter 36, and the heading is Mobile Machine. Mobile machines are the machines which is movable, means we can carry from one place to another. And in this chapter, you will see different types of vehicles, almost vehicles only, which we move. See, first is ambulance, and all of you know right now in the news channel also you can see how much ambulance is needed. Why? Because it is medically equipped vehicle for transport of patient. It is having treatment facilities, and there are signs also, means a different type of sound ambulance makes so that people can give them the way. These are the facilities when you move from the ambulance. That's why severe patients are carried in the ambulance. There is sleeping seat, all the medical facilities. Now I am showing you the picture of ambulance. See, this is the picture of ambulance. Next is double-decker bus. This bus you can see mostly here in Bihar also we can see this type of bus. Downside sitting seats are made and upside sleeper seats are made. Double decker bus is used for tourists also, and where there are much passengers. So double decker bus is nowadays very useful for us. See here, double decker bus. Next is a hot air balloon. All of you know when air is heated it rises up. On that formula only this hot air balloon works. See, hot air balloon is lighter than aircraft, consisting of a bag called an envelope, which contains heated air. The heated air inside the envelope makes it buoyant, since it has a lower density than the colder air. I am showing you. See, here is a picture of hot air balloon, and from here it can be closed and kept. And while using, people usually use here. From here they push the hot air inside, and the balloon becomes bigger and bigger and bigger, and then it is, and all of you know when the air is heated it rises up, and then it rises up. On this formula only this hot air balloon works. Here it is about canoe. And canoe is a light narrow boat for one or two people that you can move, and boat we use in the water only, and it is having paddle also, a wooden piece. And usually people use this type of canoe to move in the water at the tourist spot. Here is, this is a sports car. A low fast car, often with a roof that you can open, and it is mostly used in car racing. It is mostly used in car racing, and you can see the leaders also use this type of vehicles so that they can open the rooftop and visit the people, shake hand with the people, visit the people. But sports car, mostly you will see roofs are open. So this is the sports car. A sailboat. A sailboat or sailing boat is a boat propelled partly or entirely by sails, or is smaller than sailing ship. Distinction in what constitutes a sailing boat and ship vary by region and maritime culture. Yes, from place to place it varies, and usually people use this type of boats were used earlier, my dear, mostly earlier, because what happens in this snow, in whichever direction the air flows, in that direction only this boat moves. But nowadays the modified way of sailboat is available, and here also in Patna, Ganga Bridge, near Ganga Bridge, you will see people have put in this motor and generator. They are switching on the generator and motor is working, and whichever direction they want, they can move this sailboat. But earlier it was this type of, it was called pal, and wherever, in which side the wind was blowing, this boat was blowing to that side only. Otherwise it was very difficult to move in the opposite side of the wind. Now see tram. Tram was a bigger bus, my dear, and it was mostly moving on tracks. Tracks were made to move, and I think the modified way of tram is right now, which we are using in all the metro cities, metro rail. See here, this is the picture of tram. Now submarine. My dear, submarine is a vessel that goes this type of shape. It is having downside, and it goes under water, and mostly in the army it is used to search the people who is coming from inside, or whatever problems they are facing, or to guard their coast. They use submarine. I am showing you the picture of submarine, and this moves inside the water, not like ship. Ship moves above the water, but submarine moves inside the water. Yacht. Yacht is a type of boat which is mainly used for recreation. It usually has a cabin, so it does not need to return to the harbor overnight. Originally, yacht was sailing boats, but now there are also motor yachts. As I have explained about the sailing boat, that sailing boat people used to use previously, and it is moving in the direction of the wind. But now it is modified, and people has placed a motor and machine also in this, and this is called motor yacht. And now it can move wherever you want. This is the picture of yacht. Space shuttle. It is also called space transportation system. It is also called space transportation system. It is partially reusable rocket launched vehicle, and it is designed to go into the orbit around Earth to transport people and cargo to and from. Miss Space Shuttle moves in the space. This is the picture of Space Shuttle. Now I am showing you monorail. It is a railway in which the track consists of a single rail or a beam. The term is also used to describe the beam of the system or the trains travelling on such a beam or track Colloquially, the term monorail is often used to describe any form of elevated rail or people mover. Monorail, mostly you will see, no my dear, it is made circular in circular system, and it is the rail is moving in one direction only. Suppose this is the circle, the rail starts from here and here, it is moving whole way. Usually in big cities, monorails are used to carry people, and this monorail is also working just like metro train on the track. A cable car is a type of car that runs on cables above the car. The machine that drives the cable are in the two winding houses. One winding house is at the bottom and one at the top. It is used much in areas where there are lots of mountains. Yes, my dear, if you will go in Bihar, in Rajgir, you can see this type of cable car. Or whichever tourist spot, Mansa Devi, or that type of place where there are full of mountains, people can't go up and down. There, this type of hanging cable cars are found. In Bihar, in Rajgir, you can see it. Now here are some exercises. You have to write 2 sentences about each of this mobile machine. And first one is ambulance. All of you know that it is used to respond emergency medical services. Only patient can move on this. Why? Because it is medically equipped vehicle. It is having a different type of sound, so that people should give it way. Now canoe is a narrow boat. It is used to carry 1 or 2 people usually. And sports car also, you know, there is the rooftop can be opened in this sports car. It moves very fast, and it is mostly used in car race. It is sports, as a sports car name also, it is mostly used in for car racing. Double decker bus, a bus that has 2 stories. It is used for mass transport, means transportation of much people. Okay, and in that sitting and sleeping both the seats are made. Tram is a rail car. It runs on tramway track just like metro trains. Now what is your homework? Your homework is to write 2 sentences on each of these. It is not essential, my dear, which 2 sentences I have written, that only you will write. You can write different also. It is essential to understand. And you will write chapter name. First you will write CW and date, then chapter 36, SW and date, chapter 36, and mobile machine. Then you will start writing the subject. Thank you, my dear. Thank you a lot.